Does your heat printing business use direct-to-film heat transfers? And are you applying them correctly? We have seen some very questionable application methods for direct-to-film heat transfers. So in today's video, we're going to show you exactly how it should be done for perfect application and long-lasting products with 75+ washes guaranteed every single time. Let's jump straight into it. Okay, so step one, I'm going to take my heat press. I'm using the Hotronics Auto Open heat press today. Because of the digital readout on this press, it has time, temperature, and pressure, and it also has dual timers, which means we can set a pre-press and a main press timer without having to change in between fuses, which is such a time saver. The second reason is because of the famous Hotronics heating element. This upper platen has heat rods zigzagging the whole way across this platen, so that no matter where you fuse your transfer, whether it be on the edge or smack bang in the middle, your transfer will apply perfectly at the exact temperature you want it to every single time. We're going to set our press today for Ultracolor Max direct-to-film heat transfers, which apply at 145 degrees. We've got a 3-second pre-press timer on there and then a 12-second main press timer. These transfers only take one application. There's no peeling and fusing again. It's a one-step application, and that is it. You are set for 75+ guaranteed washes on your product. So taking our t-shirt, just going to use a plain black t-shirt today and load it onto the press. The step number one is to part your t-shirt so that you can thread it onto the press. So we don't want to be doing a double layer on the press like that. We want to be making sure that we're threading the t-shirt and isolating that layer that we want to heat apply to. So just like that, t-shirt is loaded onto the press. Second step is that all-important pre-press. Now, one, this removes creases and moisture from the garment, and two, it allows you to check your pressure of the press before applying your actual transfer. So I'm just going to pull this down, super easy, 3 seconds, and we've got a pressure of 6, which is perfect. Press opens automatically, saving us time yet again. Now it's time to take your heat transfer. Now, like I say, we're using Ultracolor Max today, and the detail that you can get on these transfers is ridiculous. Take a close up at some of the detailed artwork that we've got going on in here. Absolutely phenomenal. These are a minimum order of 1 as well, so you can just order 1 heat transfer, 1 design, and create one-off products. So we're going to place that under the press. Nice central print there, and we have complete confidence that every single part of this transfer will fuse perfectly because of the Hotronics Auto Open press that we're using today. You don't technically need to use release paper with Ultracolor Max because they are hot peel transfers. However, we do always recommend that you get into the habit of using release paper just in case you are using cold peel transfers. It just gets you into best practice without even having to think about it. So we're just going to load that onto there. Pull it down for 12 seconds. Now that press is super easy to operate. As you can see, it took no effort for me to pull that down and lock it into place, and it's counting down for us. Pressure is perfect, and it's gonna pop open when it's done, and we can hot peel this transfer as well. So remove the release paper from one corner to the other, one swift peel like so. And there you have it. That is how you apply direct-to-film heat transfers. That's literally all it takes. There's no second press needed on this. That will now stay on there for 75+ washes. I guarantee you this transfer will outlast this garment. This garment will start to fade and come apart before this transfer goes absolutely anywhere. So the number one thing to remember when fusing direct-to-film heat transfers is to always follow the application instructions. So that's time, 12 seconds, temperature, 145 degrees, and pressure, which was a medium, which is 4 to 6 on a Hotronics press. And like I said, because we're using the Hotronics press, we've got confidence that the heat is consistent throughout the entire top platen. And also it's got that over center pressure adjustment as well. So every single part of that press bed is applying at the accurate pressure you want it to, providing you've isolated your area, which is what we did when we threaded this t-shirt. So that's really how quick, easy, and simple it is to use direct-to-film heat transfers. If you have any questions about the products we've used in this video today, or to get started using direct-to-film heat transfers, then head online to custom.styles.co.uk or click the link in the video description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Styles UK YouTube channel for more content just like this.